Welcome to the massive open online course on gender and mining governance. My name is Julie, and in this short video, I'll walk you through our course room and show you how to complete the weekly activities. When you enter the course room, you'll find yourself on this page. There are several resources here that could be useful to you. If you need technical assistance, you can contact the course team here. You can find the course syllabus for a preview of the weekly content here. You can learn about the experts supporting this course by clicking on the Meet the Experts tab here. You can access the course frequently asked questions here, and you may introduce yourself in the Meet and Greet comments section here. Here you can find information about course completion requirements. There are 4 required components of the course. We ask that you complete 4 lessons, complete 4 weekly quizzes with a score of 60% or higher, listen to all course lectures, and complete the course survey. Once you complete these required components, you'll be able to download the certificate of course completion directly from this page. Now let's walk through the material that you will encounter during each week of the course. I'll click on week 1 to show you the typical weekly activities. Content will be published each Sunday for the week ahead starting on September 13th. Tabs for each week contain the following components: the lesson, the weekly lectures, the case studies, and the quiz. Now, how do these components work together? The lessons provide a theoretical background for the topic discussed each week. The lessons are mandatory, so when you have finished reviewing them, please remember to click the Mark Complete button here, so we have a record of your lesson completion. The lectures feature course experts and will let you take a deeper dive into the weekly topics. Case studies provide an opportunity to explore how different countries, organizations, and communities are addressing women's involvement in mining operations. The quizzes, which you can retake as many times as you need, test your comprehension of each topic. Finally, throughout the course, we encourage you to be active on the discussion forum. Our e-learning platform offers an opportunity for all course participants to easily interact with each other, send messages to the community members, and have a lively discussion. Below the Welcome to the Course section, you'll find the discussion forums. They're categorized by each language: English, Spanish, and French. Once you've selected your language, you can post your comment or question on that discussion forum to interact with the course facilitators and fellow course participants. Weeks 2 and 3 will follow the same format as week 1, while week 4 will also contain a brief survey about your learning experience. Now you might wonder, how do I know if I'm on track with all the course activities? At any point in the course, you'll be able to easily track your progress. Once you complete any of the activities, you'll see a check mark next to that activity. Your course completion certificate will be automatically generated once all of the activities in the course homepage are marked with check marks. And that's it. Before we wrap up this video, I'd like to leave you with 2 important reminders. Each Monday throughout the 4-week course, starting on September 13th, you will receive an email from the course team outlining the content of the week. If at any point during the course you're not sure about the course requirements, we invite you to refer to the syllabus on the course homepage or the Welcome to the Course section above the discussion forums. If you still have questions, you may either review the frequently asked questions or contact the course team. Once again, we are excited to welcome you to the course, and we look forward to your active participation. Thank you so much.